Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new to this channel, can you smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So in this video we'll be looking at how to use Kalodata in Malaysia. So if you're in Malaysia and you're looking for the best way to manage your TikTok shop, or a best tools to find a product that you can actually sell on your TikTok shop. In this video, I'll be walking you through how you can actually use Kalodata in Malaysia and use it to figure out what is the tool or what is the product you can actually start to sell or dropship or sell on your TikTok shop account. So and if you use the link in the description to sign up on Kalodata, you're gonna get 7 days free trial with no credit card required, and then up to 10% on your subscription base if you are very much interested to subscribe on Kalodata. Right, so I'll be looking into the pricing first before we proceed on to the next one, so because I think that's very much more important. But then this is the Kalodata official website homepage, as you can see right here. So and these tools have helped a lot of people to increase their sales and business, right? So scrolling all the way down, I'm gonna see different features, and they also have frequently asked questions, just in case you have some question in mind that you would like to ask, and if none of them actually answer your question, you can reach out to the customer support, and then one of the support customer will definitely get in touch with you. So this is the pricing page right here. So on the pricing page, you can just select Malaysia, then this is the price for Malaysia. So monthly as it is, so this should be $18 per month for the starter, and then for the professional that's $40, and also include team, right? And if you want to go for the yearly, you're going to be paying $11.08, and then for the professional $26.06. But then if you use the link in the description or use must be on the sign up on the checkout page, you're gonna get another 10% off on this price that you're seeing right here. So it's all dependent on you, but then I recommend you use the link to sign up or use must be on the checkout page, so get the discount, right? So these are the features for each of the plan you actually want to go for. But then I always recommend professional plan because it will give you access to many features, and then you will not run out of credit on this particular search submission on a daily basis compared to the starter plan. All right, so after that, just let's go back to the explore page, which is where the whole thing starts. So on the explore page, you have all selling ranking product. So these are the products that are actually selling on Kalodata. So you can see this product, and if you are in the TikTok shop business already, you will definitely know that or come across any of this product. That means it's actually accurate, right? So you can also click on the more ranking, so we can see some more features that Kalodata have. So we have top creators, we have top shops, we have ads, we have videos, we have top live streams, which of course are the videos that creators actually promote in order to make money. And you can see this video right here is 1 hour 34 minutes, and then this is how much the video was able to pull up when the video went live. And this is another one right here, and this is another one right here. This is 4 hours. This is another one right here, and you can see the product that they are trying to sell on the live video. And these are the video content as well as ads. So these are for people that are actually promoting their video in order to increase their sales on the product they're trying to like sell on your TikTok shop. So let me show you some of the video.
Satu Ayin tengok dorang blend pakai jari je, so je kita tengok. Kalau korang tengok Ayin punya vlog, korang
you can see that this is a moisturizer. So this is another product. This is vacuum cleaner, I guess.
Alright, anak kau bagi tumpah yak ni, bagi tumpah yak Milo. Okey, dah SKP. Lepas tu tak cukup lagi. Ni, dia bagi tumpah pula. Apa dia? Sos tiram. Tu, sos tiram dia bagi tumpah. Okey, dia bagi tumpah pula kicap.
You can see that I don't want YouTube to flag the video, so I don't actually I don't want to watch all the video. But then this is a 3-minute video, and then you can also download this video. That's the best option you can see, so that you can just in case you want to buy that same product, so that you'll be able to like learn how the video was made, and then you can also replicate it. This is another product right here.
Memang best way pakai matte fit sunscreen ni, bagus sangat untuk kulit berminyak macam cik ni. Tapi cik mampu lihat kecil je. Kalau video ni lalu FYP time ni lah sesuai nak check out. Jumbo size ni cuma 3.
So you can see that is another product. So you can check on the top creators, you can check on the top shops. So you can see how much all these shops and creators are actually making on a monthly basis. So scrolling up back, so you see we have some other features like category, we have shop, we have creator, we have product, we have video and ads, and we also have live stream. So those are the features I've already explained to you, right? So that's how you can actually go about it. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below, and I'll try as much as possible to reply to your request. Thank you.